This is the last generation that will get paid by the hour. The next one gets paid by leverage or not at all. What you're seeing in the market isn't a crash, it's a warning. Have you looked at the markets lately? Not the daily noise, not the green-red circus on your screen. I'm talking about the bloodbath. In just 1 week, nearly $22 billion vanished from the Indian IT sector. Globally, $300 billion gone. The media calls it the SaaS apocalypse. The trigger, a company called Anthropic and their AI Claude. If you think this is just another chatbot getting smarter, you are still asleep. This isn't about a better calculator. This is about the end of the billable hour. The end of the body shop model that built modern India's tech economy. And yet there's a hidden layer no one is talking about. A slop layer of code and a psychological war being waged on the wages. Tonight, we look past the panic, we peel back the illusion, and we ask the real question. Is the machine actually taking over? Or is it fear of the machine being used to control you? For 2 years, we were sold a story. AI is your assistant, AI is your co-pilot, it helps you write emails, autocomplete code, boost productivity. That story died this week. Anthropic didn't just release a chat tool, they released agents. Claude Cowork, 11 plugins, legal reviews, sales compliance, data analysis, end-to-end coding. These don't talk, they execute. And that's when the market panicked. Nifty IT dropped nearly 7%, one of its sharpest fall in the years. Why? Because investors saw the truth. If an AI can perform an entire professional workflow, you don't need 10 junior engineers billing by the hour. You don't need a $500 an hour legal team reviewing standard contracts. AI is no longer a tool for the worker. It's a competitor. Even industry insiders know it. Sridhar Vembu, founder of Zoho, said calmly that people who make a living writing code should consider alternative livelihoods. No panic, no drama, just acceptance. When a billionaire tells you machine does the job better, you should listen. But there's a part they don't want you to see. Behind the AI demos, behind the market crash, the code is messy. The outputs are fragile. The systems still break. The machine isn't replacing you yet. So why the fear? Because fear is cheaper than layoffs. Fear keeps wages down. Fear makes humans compete with ghosts. This isn't a tech war, it's a perception war. And that's where the choice comes in. You can take the blue pill, believe the headlines, trust the narrative, hope you'll be safe. Or take the red pill. You see the system for what it is. You adapt, you build leverage, you stop being billable, and you start being irreplaceable. This is not tech advice. This is a wake-up call. And this is my red pill diary for you this week. Thank you.